Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the best luggage options for this year. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a weekend traveler, or just someone looking for a reliable suitcase, choosing the right one can make or break your trip. There are tons of options out there, but not all suitcases are created equal. That's why I've put together a top 5 list, ranking the best carry-ons and checked luggage based on durability, weight, security, and overall functionality. And of course, I saved the absolute best for last, so make sure you stick around until the end. All right, let's jump in. Number 5, Amazon Basics Hardside Spinner Luggage. Starting off at number 5, we've got Amazon Basics Hardside Spinner Luggage, a budget-friendly, no-frills suitcase that still delivers solid performance. Durable ABS hard shell provides decent impact resistance for a budget suitcase. 360-degree spinner wheels make maneuvering through airports effortless. Expandable design gives you a little extra packing space when needed. Comes in 3 sizes, 21-inch, 26-inch, and 30-inch, so you can choose the one that fits your travel needs best. Now, let's be real, this isn't the most premium suitcase on the market. The zippers and wheels might not last as long as higher-end brands, but for the price, it's a great option if you're looking for something affordable and functional. That being said, if you want something a bit more stylish and durable, let's check out the next pick. Number 4, Delsey Paris Helium Aero Hardside Expandable Luggage. Coming in at number 4, we have the Delsey Paris Helium Aero, a suitcase that offers style, durability, and smart features all in one package. 100% polycarbonate hard shell makes it incredibly resistant to impact and scratches. Expandable design adds up to 2 inches of extra space, perfect for bringing back souvenirs. TSA-approved lock ensures security for your belongings. Smooth gliding dual spinner wheels make rolling it through the airport super easy. This is a great choice for someone who wants a stylish, durable suitcase with extra packing room. The only downside? It's a bit heavier than some other models, but that's the trade-off for a high-quality hardshell. Number 3, American Tourister Moonlight Hardside Expandable Luggage. At number 3, we've got the American Tourister Moonlight Hardside Expandable Luggage, a perfect blend of fashion and function. Bold, colorful design options make it easy to spot your luggage at baggage claim. Durable, yet lightweight construction keeps things easy to carry. 360-degree spinner wheels for smooth airport navigation. Expansion feature provides extra packing space when needed. This is a fantastic option for travelers who want something that stands out but is still functional and well built. However, if you need something even tougher and more premium, the next option is a game changer. Number 2, Samsonite Winfield 3 DLX Hardside Expandable Luggage. At number 2, we have Samsonite Winfield 3 DLX, one of the most trusted suitcases in the industry. If you travel often, you've probably seen countless Samsonite bags rolling around airports, and for good reason. Impact-resistant polycarbonate exterior resists scratches and dents. Full zip interior divider and cross straps keep your clothes and essentials organized. TSA-approved combination lock adds extra security. Ultra lightweight design, making it easier to carry without adding unnecessary weight to your luggage. Samsonite is known for reliability and durability, and this suitcase is no exception. However, while it's incredibly well built, the price is a bit higher than budget option. If you're looking for the absolute best suitcase for both durability and weight, my number 1 pick is gonna blow you away. And finally, my number 1 pick, Travelpro Maxlite 5 Softside Luggage. Here it is, the best suitcase of the year. Travelpro Maxlite 5 Softside Luggage. This suitcase ticks all the boxes when it comes to weight, durability, and smart travel features. Ultra lightweight design makes it one of the easiest suitcases to carry and maneuver. Expandable main compartment allows you to pack extra without worrying about space. Water-resistant coating keeps your belongings dry, even in rainy conditions. 4 360-degree spinner wheels provide effortless mobility. High-quality zippers and reinforced handles ensure long-lasting durability. This is hands down the best suitcase for frequent travelers who want lightweight convenience without sacrificing durability. It's practical, stylish, and built to last. If you're looking for a suitcase that won't let you down, this is the one to get. And there you have it, the best luggage options for this year. Whether you need a budget-friendly carry-on, a stylish and expandable hardshell suitcase, or a lightweight travel companion, there's something on this list for everyone. Now, I want to hear from you, which suitcase do you think is the best? Drop a comment below. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel gear reviews, product comparisons, and packing tips. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.